I think that's a sea urchin. Hey guys, does this count?
Is that an urchin?
I think that's a sea urchin.
Touch it.
I'm not gonna touch it.
Touch it. Take a picture of Micah. Meta, use AI to make him naked.
So first I caught a sea urchin, and now look what I caught.
Is this starfish?
I caught a fucking starfish.
Yo, what?
Alright, I guess this place is a bust for now. Bald eagle.
Don't blow your load too early.
I'm gonna do a huge cum shot.